Hey everyone, this is DJ Schleen, and check this out. I've been doing some development in Go, working on a few different applications that highlight the technical aspects of security controls coming into DevSecOps pipelines. This specific one, I'm using Go modules. I use Go modules for pretty much everything now. And I wanted to show you what happens when you bring two modules in. So I'm going to just echo in a empty string into go.sum. And if I list this out, you'll see there's nothing in there. And I wanted to show you what happens when I bring in two imports. So there's a file that I have in here. It's a root command. I'm using a library called Cobra to generate a command line application. It's really awesome. So there's two that I bring in on lines 9 and 10. We have Viper and we have Cobra. So when I bring these two in, like normally you'd think about, well, I'm just using two libraries and this is all that I'm really needing. This is all that's coming into my system. And we've been doing this for years, right? With the .NET framework, with Java, with any language, we're bringing in other libraries, other components that come into the application, provide functionality, right? It just gives developers a kickstart in getting the product done. So it makes sense to use those. Now, if I come back out and I do a Go build, the Go build executes, and let's take a look at that Go sum again. There is a lot of packages coming in here. And if I do a line count on these packages in this file, we have 153 packages coming into this application when I only imported two, right? So that's a pretty interesting thing to see. It gives a bit of a context around the problem that we're dealing with open source software in the supply chain. Now, one of the really cool things I wanted to show you about this is when I checked this into GitHub, I got this email from an application we're at called DepShield. And DepShield's a free app. You can get it on the GitHub apps page, and it'll scan Go languages and Go code, multiple languages, sorry, and Go code, and look for vulnerabilities. So I'm getting this information coming back that says it reports an application. So I know what it is. It's xcrypto. And this is actually part of one of these libraries I brought in. And there's a CVE. So I can dig into the CVE and actually see what is wrong and what's happening with this vulnerability. We can get some more information as well. We can check it out on NIST and get into some further details. But that's what I wanted to show you today, just that there is a large amount of dependencies that come in when you bring even one component into your application. So with that, I'm DJ. Take care and we'll talk soon.